Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Jolly Kitchen. My name is Kiet. In today's I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite Thai dessert. It's called Krayasat. And if you want to know how to make it, stay tuned. Alright, I'll give you a little bit backstory about Krayasat. It is one of the Thai desserts that inherited from India. It came together with the Buddhism that widely spread out throughout Southeast Asia, and Thai people have adopted and make it into our own. So as I live in overseas, I have to mention that I cannot get all the ingredients like I used to do in Thailand, but I will substitute with something that's similar to the ingredients we use. And you can see me here doing right now is just toast the ingredients. So we're going to start off by toasting pepita or pumpkin seeds. And this is raw peanuts, so I like to toast peanuts. It tastes better than the one you buy off the supermarket shelf. That's already come in the packages. So buy the raw one and toast it yourself. You get a better nutty and smokiness from it. The next one I'm going to prepare is sunflower kernels. Also, this is going to be toasted on a low heat, just to keep in mind, because this kind of seed, they are burned so quick if you use the high heat. So slow, steady, and it's going to give you a better result. All right. It's a little bit of time consuming for this recipe, but it's very rewarding at the end result. And as today I'm gonna make quite a large quantity, so it requires a lot of work. So next I'm going to prepare is sesame seeds, also toast on the low heat, so they burn rather quick. So make sure once you put on the pan, do not go straight away, okay? Just keep your eyes on it. And once the peanuts is toasted, and let it cool down and a little bit warm to touch, and we're going to remove the skin by rubbing it together. So you're going to get rid of the brown skin. It's quite easily. Now moving on to the next part, where it's very crucial, is to make the sugarcane syrup. I will add some water, and then I'm going to turn the heat up to high. This is the raw sugarcane, so I want the sugarcane to dissolve into well brown syrup like this, and let it bubble for a while. Just to balance it out from sweetness, I'm going to add some salt here. So as you can see here, the bubble is still very light, because it still contains a lot of water. And when it goes through the certain stage, it will become thicker and the bubble will become really smaller. So if you start dropping tests, if they start to coming down like small, silky and sticky line just like this, I mean it's ready to go. So it's take observation and patience to cook pretty much all kind of meals. And the next step I'm going to do is to add the coconut cream. This is going to make it really sweet, caramelized and creamy. And I love coconut more than anything. This is how we make a sugarcane syrup, and it looks really nice. And I'm going to let it simmering for a little while longer, so to make it more thickened and to get rid of the excess water from the coconut cream. And it's going to be really nice sticky syrup. Oh, can't wait. Look at the beautiful color here. It looks just so amazing. let this bubbling for a while, and I'm going to turn the heat off here, and the next part is going to be the part we are going to combine all the ingredients together. Now let's have a look at these beautiful ingredients that we prepared. As I can show you here, I got rice bubble, pumpkin seeds, sunflower kernels, rice flakes, and I got sesame seed, peanuts, and this desiccated coconut. So they are all ready to go. Just make sure you find a large container. So we are going to combine all this dry ingredients together. Just put into the one container, just like I'm showing you like right now. It's a store-bought rice bubble. It's just like the one you eat with the cereal. So it's really handy. So it's substitute something I could find. And this is rice flake I put in, and the toasted pumpkin seed. And then I'm going to add some of the desiccated coconut. So, and then add the toasted sunflower kernel. Now once everything's in the same container, you just roughly mix it together so it all like. And now what I'm going to do next is to add sugarcane syrup. So the syrup going to help combine all the dry ingredients together. So it's like makes it really like sticky together, right? For the syrup, you don't want to put them too much at the first time. So just to make sure they absorb all the juice and then get really like gooey. Make sure that you use the spatula, get into the bottom of the container, alright? Make sure it's evenly coated, so you're going to dig into the bottom of the container. And then I'm going to transfer them. Now the next step, what I'm going to do is to add them into the baking tray, so they're just like resting. And you can shape it whatever size you want. For the purpose of the presentation, I'm going to make it looks really cute, as you can see here. This dessert can be kept refrigerated. It will last for a very long time, maybe up to a month or two, but usually it will be ended up in my stomach before it's going to expire. So yeah, that's why we make a really large quantity. It's like food for sharing. So once it's done, just give to your hands over to your families and friends, and spread them all out, spread the love. And this is the end result from our cooking today. This is Thai Krayasat. It's a beautiful dessert, a combination of beautiful ingredients. I hope you guys enjoying what you're seeing today. And if you like to support this channel, be sure to hit that like button and make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching today. I'll see you again next time. Bye now.